Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I am at the ranch. It is getting late in the afternoon. I want to show you one of my favoriteest new gadgets. This is the Traverseon portable espresso machine. I am hard at work over here at the ranch, and it is late in the afternoon, and I'm looking for a little cup of coffee. This is still kind of off-grid-ish in its current state, so having a portable coffee maker is awesome. So I'm gonna show you how it works. I really do love it. Desperately wish I'd had it on the road trip. It makes a pretty darn decent cup of coffee for being a totally self-contained unit. You can use it with these little Espresso pods, but I'm all out of them. This one is used. I just took it out of the thingy. So the bottom is actually a cup. It comes with this little cartridge. This is the one you put Espresso pods in, if that's the way you're gonna do it. But what's super rad is it also comes with another one that you can pack with your own coffee. If you watch the channel for any period of time, this is Little Brown Dog coffee. I roast my own coffee, have been for like 5-6 years. I really like coffee is what I'm saying.
Dig the hipster.
But it comes with this doohickey, measuring cup. It comes with a little smusher downer, just like a real espresso machine. Seriously, it came with a brush in case you want to do it just like a real espresso machine. Top goes back on. That's ready to go. It goes in the cartridge. And the cartridge just screws into the bottom. Put your cup back on the thingamadoodle, just like that. And on the top, there's measuring units. We're gonna just put some of our little old school thermos water in there. Bang the top back on, mash the button. Wait for the beep, it's gonna start heating up. It heats it. It is all completely self-contained, has a USB charger, lithium-ion battery, and the thing is, this fits in the cup holder. So if you've got an Espresso pods and you're on the road or whatever, you can set this up. It takes a few minutes to heat up, build the pressure, and make the coffee, but that is a small price to pay. I mean, I drank some terrible coffee while I was on the road with the Camaro. 6:30 a.m. drinking a packet of coffee. I really would have loved to have this, and honestly, I just finding a good cup of coffee on a road trip is pretty hard to do. Starbucks has gotten kind of undrinkable, and that's the one thing that you can find at every place, especially if you like black coffee, which I personally do. Anyway, I'm gonna let this do its thing. We're gonna take a look at it here in a minute. There we go, man. Yeah, that'll do. All right. I mean, 19 bar pressure like a regular espresso machine, or at least an espresso machine. Is it the gold standard? No. This will go everywhere with me at this point. I find it extremely convenient for a quick afternoon coffee. I'll take it where I go work on locations. Here at the ranch, it's sort of already been a staple. Depending on the temperature of the water really does change how many cups of coffee you can brew, but I'm getting about 3 or 4 per charge, and this can charge off my power stations here, off your car, off whatever, and works while it's charging. So to clean it out, all I gotta do is pop that out, pull this apart, and I'll rinse the coffee out of this thing right down the side of my truck. Don't know what to say about it, except I'm super happy with it, that it is as convenient as it seems, and I've been using it pretty much daily here over at the ranch. So, cheers. If you want to find yourself a little coffee break on the road, on the go, and not be disappointed with a lousy cup of coffee at the coffee shops, definitely consider picking one of these up. This came from Traverseon. There's a link in the description, and their website is full of all sorts of interesting, super fun gadgets. So if you're having trouble shopping for a boyfriend, a girlfriend, a husband, a wife, and they like neat stuff, they got all kinds of neat camping supply things like this. So thanks for watching Between the Sharks. We'll be back with some new gadgets at some point. I'm gonna finish this cup of coffee and get back to work. Good luck on your projects out there, and we'll see you next time on Between the Sharks.